Hey, I'm Fit. But did you get what I said, man? I probably said show twice. I said like twice. I said comment twice. And love twice. What gets you motivated to do films, to do video, to do anything to get you going? I watch commercials, and yeah, they don't last more than 30 seconds, and they really get the point across. So much information. When I do this video here, it's like 5 minutes later. I didn't even get past the introduction part.
The software I use, Magic's 2020.
Oh man, I like the looks. I think I got my EV value dialed down just right. My settings on the budget action camera, doing a great job today.